taking the video today?
Because best friends can blow in each other's mouths. Okay, go.
You're totally Oh. Do you hear the noise it makes?
Not really.
Here, close your mouth a little more. Yay! Now Amanda's turn. Come here.
No.
Yeah.
No.
If you're a best friend,
Dude, I'm sick.
Everybody's sick. That's their excuse these days. Feel alone. I love you, and that's all. And that's all.
Mary needs Juliet. You never.
Okay, do it to Brianna.
Do what? I'm not like someone blowing my mouth.
Why not?
Because best friends let each other do that.
Well, can I blow in your mouth then? You have to open it. I have a cold.
Well, it's not like you're blowing.
You're just blowing air. Just freaking go. Everybody has a cold these days. Shut up.
Lindsay.
You have to open your mouth with air.
that you blow air. Hurry up,
I'm not asking you to kiss me. Just open your mouth.
I kiss people.
Okay, we're done with
You
this.
guys are bad.
Come on. Blow in Amanda's mouth.
Amanda doesn't want me to blow in her mouth.
Here, you can blow in my mouth. Here. Here. Ready?
Your elbow is on my knee.
Shoe?
That looks so
I
gross.
think we're about to make out like old people. Remember, like, Nice and Rodancy? They're like... That's how they kiss in Nice and Rodancy. They go...
Did you press the end button?
No.
Good job,